what I couldn't have gotten to normally. Normally, you wouldn't go in here at all. So, nowhere near here. You'd be back there where you are.
So here we are.
Well, okay. That rock is a little slick right there, so I wouldn't just step anywhere over here.
Whoa. Okay, let's get our point of reference here, son.
How are you?
I'm a little mountain goat, but not total.
Yeah, I feel your footing with every step, and mind your slope and stuff like that. Yeah.
Well, this ain't my first rodeo.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah. For real.
What was really fun, we would go up into the mountain streams up there and go from rock to rock in those mountain streams.
You know,
And you better have a be square of your footing.
I think I might try 360 right here.
Go for it.
When my phone does 360s. 360.